Yeah, GFG VIT-AP in collaboration with Core Metaphor, Tech Society from a student of VIT-AP University as presenting you the Communities Connect. Basically, there are many tech communities across the world, and we have brought up the best tech communities where students can engage and give their best and get with the proper network, so that they can get their get benefited and use the skills in their tech career. And myself, I'm Rohit. I'm the president of Geeks for Geeks student chapter and the leader of team Code Metaphor, and I'm part of Lumos, and I'm the GFG campus ambassador previous, and right now I'm the Muscle Metal campus champion, and I have hosted 7+ workshops, 3 hackathons, and 5+ coding contests as of now, and very soon I will be hosting many more. And about Geeks for Geeks student chapter, we are the tech community chapter rooted in VIT University, and we have started it in August 2023. So, like just 6 months back, we started with this chapter. And while from starting of this chapter, there was only one motive which all of us, like all core team, has been moving forward is empowering innovation together is like uh, empowering innovation together means that like not only growing ourselves, like growing our friends and our peers will make us impact in our day-to-day life. And let's go further on. And what are the goals of this communities connect? See, like there are many communities across the world, so like why to join specific programs? So one such reason is uh, key from the session of this, and at the end I'll be asking you what are the key takeaways from the session. And the main goals of the session is like we explore various campus ambassador programs offered by different companies, understanding their benefits. Like there are many campus ambassador programs, like each and every startup do keep these campus ambassador programs, but in specific only few are like approved by the like few are the top most and which are having high high level value in your resume. So we have brought up almost all the ambassador programs and included in this specific session to make you understand what are the value and what is the importance of the campus ambassadors, and how to join these programs is another goal of this session. And let's go on. Yeah, there comes the first one, Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. So it was a ambassador program on behalf of Microsoft across the world, and these ambassadors are like part of Microsoft Learn community, where Microsoft will be teaching the students across the world using their own portal called Microsoft Learn. So you will be the one who will be taking care of the activities conducted by Microsoft Learn across the year. So one such ambassador program is like Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. There are many ambassadors across in one university. There is no restriction to be only one ambassador, and you can like there can be many ambassadors. And what are the what is the eligibility to become an Microsoft MLS ambassador is you should be you should be of age 16 or older, and you should be enrolled in a full time college, and you should be an individual entity, like you should not be joining any other corporate job, and you should not be a Microsoft employer current contracted towards Microsoft. So basically these are the few eligibilities to become Microsoft Learner Ambassador. And MLS ambassador being the one of the top most tech communities across world, because like their support as well as the main reason is like getting free certifications from Microsoft along with the swags, cool swags they get, like they get many things like T-shirt, water bottles, and stickers, bunch of stickers, not stickers, bunch of stickers, like you can host Microsoft events and you can have your brand name, and you may get like you will be getting a ID card being mentioned as Microsoft Lunch Friend Ambassador. And these are the few benefits you may get once you get into the Microsoft Learn Ambassador. And one such thing is like you will be given Microsoft professional mentorship guidance, as well as you will be getting Microsoft 365, which is useful for our laptop, and you'll be getting Visual Studio subscription of 150, Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. So all Visual Studio subscription will be getting. Along with that, this is the main thing: $150 Edu credits. So Edu credits can be used in Edu certifications and exam certificate. You will be also getting Microsoft all other AZ 900 certification, which is as well as many other demonstrate skills. And you will be like Microsoft will be supporting you organize this event, guys. So, sorry for the disturbance, guys. Sorry for that. Bargo. Okay. Yeah, guys. And let's continue. Sorry for that. And next, like you'll be Microsoft will be supporting you to conduct hackathons as well as workshops on behalf of Microsoft, and you will be getting all the requirements for the hackathon and like sponsorship from the Microsoft itself. You will be the one point of contact for for the college as well as Microsoft, and including that, you will be having advocates like cloud advocates are the ones who are like a topmost of the learn ambassadors who will be taking care of almost all ambassadors. And these advocates were the like they are specialists in cloud. So they will be the ones like who will be clearing the examination of all certification, all Microsoft's cloud certifications. And once you got this advocate badge, right? So you can like you can have it is another program like MLS itself, but it is after the graduation of the student. and and you will be there having like what are the key responsibilities, and here we will be having three types of badges. Okay, one is alpha, one is beta, and one is gold. So basically at the starting everybody will be given alpha. After certain tasks you will be given a set of tasks which will be very which will be changing across the long time period. And once you're done once you are eligible for the beta, you'll be getting beta badge. And after that you will be given gold, and gold will be the ultimate my MLS ambassador. And all of these three will be having separate communities. So basically these are called alpha ambassadors, and these are called beta ambassadors, and these are called gold ambassadors. So three of them together will represent MLSA. But the badge which is having which is having its own value. Okay, and these are the things about the badges. Okay, and what are the key responsibilities? What will be your responsibilities? So you must build a strong technical community. So one thing is that, so you must build a Microsoft technical tech community in your college, and you should conduct workshops, meetups, and hackathons, and you should mentor the fellow students under the brand name of Microsoft. And we'll be sharing this we will be sharing this PPT in our GitHub page. You can look at there and you can get the or else if you just go to Google and just type my MLS ambassador, you'll get direct application link. And next one is like Postman. So Postman is an API provider, and basically Postman is having a program called Postman Student Lead Program. So Postman being an API based company, the main purpose of the student ambassador of Postman will be training the students how to utilize the proper APIs. His involvement in the college is impacting students in a proper way how to utilize the, and how to give. He must be able to give what are the importance of foundational importance of APIs. And for that Postman will be sponsoring with the content and everything. And Postman offers a platform. Next one is next, what are the eligibility to become an postman student lead. So you should be enrolled in university and available for one academic year, and either you should be pursuing a degree or undergraduate or postgraduate in any of the discipline. There are no restrictions from MLS also. So you should be the one enrolled in one university, and you should be the one you should be studying, and you should be passionate about the technology. And what are the benefits of joining Postman is you'll be having access to the Postman resources like Postman APIs will be given free for you, and like you will be also called like an invitation to the Postman student learn online communities. Yeah, see, this is the like one thing which we will be having networking across the all Postman learn student leaders across the world. And next one is like access to student API developer community. This is the one like every student dreamt of when you're learning APIs. So here there are like top developers and who are who are good at APIs will be there and who can be helping us. And one more thing, API certifications from Postman will be free of cost. And your responsibilities will be like how I mentioned. Teach others how to use Postman to build and test APIs and act as a campus contact for Postman teams. So, like the badge which is here is Postman Student Expert, and this badge will be given. This badge will be given once you were selected to Postman Student Expert. So, and for this you need to qualify the examination which they conduct. Like you should be one certified in one of the Postman certifications. Before that, and after that, like they will be judging you on your API skills, and they'll be awarding you with this badge. And you must be the one who will be teaching the like using how to use Postman APIs. And next one is Lumos. So like many of you think what is Lumos? Like uh many of you I guess many of you don't hear this word like this company Lumos. I know that because even like I heard this one last October. So Lumos is a, like a blockchain community, and they are the like they hosted the ETA like recent electronic sorry for that. And they hosted the ETH blockchain event of the year in India recently in December recently in December. And Lumos was the one who took initiative to design like a Web3. Like they have like community vast in their Discord server who can help us in Web3 blockchain. Those who want to start with Web3, they're having amazing programs coming, like amazing programs in them. Like they have built some and they have also this build in summit where they will be having every week one session taken for the students across India to teach how to start with blockchain. So for this you should be all you should be enrolled in what are the eligibilities to become Lumos wizards. Be enrolled in a university and available for one academic year. And you must be one either studying degree or postgraduate in any discipline and be passionate about the technology. What are the benefits you'll be getting? You'll be getting like engaging collaborative projects, hackathons, and workshops was the main thing. And for the certification, Lumo certifications, you'll be getting and access to this one is a one which is like a ultimate because Lumos will be hosting many of the meetups for blockchain developers in either in Bangalore or in Chennai mostly. And you may get like if you are good at if you have done good service for like good service being a wizard, but then you'll be getting a free trip to either to Bangalore or to Chennai for one meetup at free of cost. Everything will be on them. And next one, I don't make it sorry for that. And next one is GitHub Campus Expert. So this one is one of the ambassador programs from GitHub. So basically, GitHub Campus Experts are the one who will be a point of contact to GitHub, and they'll be bringing the sponsorship for the college events on behalf of GitHub. So these will be the point of contact for GitHub again and again. Point of contact for GitHub. And this program provides a platform to students connected with like-minded peers and mentors and professional pursuing vibrant community. And next one is what are the eligibilities? So like you must be the one before for GitHub student expert. There are many many criteria to which will be considered by GitHub. So you must be the one GitHub user for the last 6 months, and you should enroll in a formal higher education institution, and you must be the one before 1 year before your graduation. And you should know also you should not enrolled in GitHub Campus Advisors program. And you should have first thing is you should have a GitHub student developer pack. Until and unless you're having a like your user of 6 months and GitHub student developer pack, you cannot get into the GitHub student expert. These are the things. These are the two main points and eligibility criteria for GitHub. And what are the benefits you'll be getting as a community leader in campus on behalf of the GitHub, and also you'll be having workshops, training, and resources, and connecting with the peers, mentors, and professionals in tech industry. So you will be the one point of contact for GitHub, and you'll be having uh, specialized community and communities on behalf of GitHub to to meet the peers as well as get mentorship from the GitHub, and you will get swags as well as merchandise, GitHub merchandise, and also the one thing is GitHub education credits. So when you are using GitHub education credits, it will be useful a lot. So these credits valued a lot when you are under GitHub student expert, and your responsibilities will be you must be the you must grow the GitHub campus community, and also you should organize workshops, meetups, and hackathons, and you should mentor your fellow students fellow students on GitHub on how to navigate in GitHub, and you should host the sessions on Git and GitHub, and you should help each and everywhere where where students will face a problems, and you should be the one who helping in GitHub from Git on behalf of GitHub. And next one is uh, our our own Geeks for Geeks campus ambassador program, and where I have started my career, my college career into tech communities. My first the speaker of the session, me G. Venkatalakshmi sir, I started with GFG campus ambassador. I started my career from GFG campus ambassador, and this is the one this is a program which I felt so much uh, happier to be and with the one of the biggest communities in India. Uh, this is unlike other names, GFG having its name called call campus ambassadors as campus mantris. So you directly or supreme head will be the CEO of the Geeks for Geeks. Sir will be the Sandeep Jan. Sir will be the one head of parliament, and mentors who are mentors will be the top ministers of the cabinet, and you will be first thing one GFG campus monthly will be getting is access to the new online courses. This is the one everybody will try to get into Geeks for Geeks. Everybody uses Geeks for Geeks for the courses and get knowledge, day to day knowledge as well as coding skills. And each and every course which Geeks for Geeks is going to launch, campus monthlies along with the chapter leads will be given early access to visit and give the feedback, some reviews and suggestions to the Geeks for Geeks, and as you will be the one who will be promoting the upcoming all events of the Geeks for Geeks. And what are the eligibilities? You should be 18 years above, and your English must be not you're not a professional, but it can be an intermediate level where you can express where you can express the things very well to the peers. And on successful submit, okay, these are what are the successful on basically this is how to apply for the campus monthly, and sorry for that, we forgot to mention a link out here. Sorry for that. And what are the benefits you will be getting on behalf of Weeks for Geeks? You will be given a task on monthly basis or weekly basis. If you perform well, you may get Amazon gift vouchers. This is one, and not to mention goodies each and every time when you perform well, you will be getting goodies uh, there are many other gifts which Geeks for Geeks provide for its campus ambassadors, and you will be the one who will be the point of contact for your college for all kind of sponsorships and anything which your college needs from on behalf from Geeks for Geeks to the college. And you may get if you performed out well very well in your program, you may get given a chance to get in an internship at GFG in any of the domain which you want to join. and your and yeah. What are the key responsibilities when you join as campus ambassador for Geeks for Geeks? So once you joined uh, Geeks for Geeks and Geeks for Geeks, you basically like sharing posts from Instagram on respective college. These are the things which are odd, looking odd. But the thing what Geeks for Geeks Connect does is very often. See, like they host hackathons, uh, like, uh, they host hackathons which are helpful for students, and they will be hosting jobathons and many other things. And you will be the one point of contact to let the colleges know. So like not only like just seeing the like not only like they are promoting their company, but you will be the one who will be helping out your peers on getting the response, getting opportunities. Like you will be the one who will be showcasing the talent, like events going on behalf of Geeks for Geeks in your college. And you should promote content writing in your campus. So writing articles, like tech articles, which will be directly uh, having a great asset in their skills in their resume. And you must promote Geeks for Geeks as main. Geeks for Geeks is a like a course is a LM like a learn management system company. So where they will be teaching the courses, and this is the one which many of the tasks include. You should organize best workshops on DSA, as well as on many other like recently our campus ambassadors hosted at Postman API. Like these are the things which you will be doing on behalf of Geeks for Geeks, being a campus ambassador. And this is the one another from IBM. So IBM Z Student Ambassador is another uh, ambassador program where you will be having directly in you will be the one point of contact for the college on behalf of IBM. So IBM Z Student Ambassador is restricted to only few colleges, as the companies as the IBM visits only few colleges. So the only colleges which IBM visits every year, where they will be giving student ambassador program as for its visiting colleges. And almost the same like eligibility criteria. You must be above 18 and a profession in English must be in profession, and you must upload like a register on IBM Z Explore. This is the one eligibility criteria for IBM Z Ambassador. And what are the benefits you'll be gaining is like in-depth training from on jet technology, including concepts and fundamentals in various tools. And you'll be meeting the experts from IBM tech, and being one of the tech giant. If you meeting the mainframes and being meeting many experts on from the IBM will create impact by itself. And you will be the one voice for IBM in campus, and you'll be getting exclusive internships, job postings, and mentorships from IBM professionals. And what will be your key responsibilities is achieving mainframe technology certifications. Along with you must forge with industry experts. Like you will be the contact between as your contact between IBM as well as college. You can see like minded peers who are good at tech, who are interested in tech programs, and you should be developing essential leadership. Along with that, you can use expertise from IBM to help the students and elevate your university presence on both on global platform. And this is the one this is the one which LinkedIn provides student ambassador. This is from LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been providing student ambassadors, not very like it is providing at a particular time, like I may probably at the end of the year. So like it provides very less intakes very less ambassadors as it's for its ambassador program, and eligibilities will be the same. And there are many other ambassador programs like Adobe and AWS Educate on Adobe, the tech giant, as well as Amazon. AWS is from Amazon Web Service, Amazon, and Dell. Dell is there, as well as Cisco, Oracle, and Like what are the main reason like why everybody interested to join campus ambassadors or tech communities? What is the main like what is the one thing why should we join? Okay, see, like by joining these like these tech communities, you will be having a good profile. So like what you may say, what is meant by good profile? When you work with the like-minded people across across many like many cities and many universities, you'll be getting to know like what is happening, like how much is the competition level across the world, and what are the like few benefits like by choosing ambassador programs or tech communities. One thing is career opportunities. When you're having a like good profile, a good profile in the sense having a good networking with the students will always boost up your career opportunities, and as I mentioned, networking, and it will develop our activities and maintaining us and recognition and awards in our across the community. And you can mention these all you work with like if you are a LinkedIn student ambassador or GitHub student expert, you can mention it in your resume, which boosts up our resume, and it will help us to get shortlisted in our, when you want to further study in any other countries. It will be helping us working under an institution to be part of their growth. Any questions so far? Thank you. Guys, any questions? Yeah, I guess I conveyed everything to you guys. Any doubts from your side? I hope all like I hope I have covered all the things how to join into communities and many things. See, one thing like if you are an introvert, if you are an introvert, just I'm saying if you are an introvert, don't could you please tell about Salesforce company? Okay, actually, I not came across Salesforce company any ambassadors, but Salesforce is a good, I'm saying like it is a good profile being being an ambassador for Salesforce, but company itself is having good profile. I mean like one thing I'm saying, see, don't join ambassadors. Like there are many ambassador programs across coming up in while like WhatsApp groups and anywhere. But just verify with that. See, like they may say like we may if you done with the if you made 150 students to join our WhatsApp group. See, one thing which is very important is how much you will be gaining from the communities and like ambassador programs will vary. And first thing is like don't waste your time if someone gave gave the tasks like that to join like few of the programs. And one thing, if you got any such mail like you are selected as campus, and just confirm with the college career development centers as well as training placement officers, because there are many scams happening across not only India, across the world. So just verify as please do verify before joining a campus ambassador. Like tech communities, it's okay, but when you want to join campus ambassadors, please verify with the career development center.